Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are inside the house today and I'm going to show you how I make vinegar-based hot sauce. So here we have a variety of peppers. We have Longhorn cayenne. We have a Scotch bonnet. We have jalapeno, and we have one red sweet bell pepper. We have half an onion. We have 3 cloves of garlic, and we have half a carrot. I'm going to place these into a saucepan with a cup of distilled vinegar. The distilled vinegar has 4 teaspoons of kosher salt. Okay, we're going to let the vinegar come to a boil, and then we're going to place everything into my blender and blend it up. Okay, hopefully you can see me. We have a pot of peppers, the pot of vegetables. We have the pot of vegetables that we're going to pour into the blender. Put that in the sink. Then we're going to put this on the blender. And gently, or slowly rather, pulse this. Then we're going to puree it. Take it off and see what it looks like. Try not to get burnt. It looks good. I'm going to pulse it a couple more times. Okay, in this bowl, I have a colander with a filter in it, coffee filter. I'm going to pour this into it and catch the pulp while the liquid drains into the bowl. When this is done, we'll come back and we'll put it into the bottles. We're back, and in here we have our liquid hot sauce, and here we have the pulp, and as you can see, here it is. I sometimes take the pulp and put it in the oven on a low heat and dry it out and then grind it up to use it as cayenne powder. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that today or not. Now, we have some bottles, and I think I only have enough for one. We're going to take a funnel. I left a little bit of the pulp in the liquid, and we're going to pour into the bottle. Okay. I was wrong. We'll have one, enough for maybe 1.5. I ordered these bottles off of Amazon. They come with the little plastic tab on top, and screw it on. And there you have a bottle, a homemade bottle of vinegar-based hot sauce. And here's the second one. Now I have a label. I have labels that came for the bottle, but I'm not going to use those. I'm just going to take my label maker and put what I used on this, and we'll use this one first. This one can be put in the cabinet for later use. So I hope you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It's real easy to make a vinegar-based hot sauce. I used the sweet pepper, the red sweet pepper, and a carrot for sweetness, but you can also add honey or agave, agave honey or regular honey in it. You can use organic sugar to go in it, and you can add whatever spices you want to. Sometimes I add cumin, or and other spices like curry as well. This time I didn't. I hope you enjoyed it. If you got something out of it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and cook a lot of things by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. We're approximately 1,500 subscribers away from 50,000 subscribers, and every little bit helps. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.